Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your Google Pay password. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. So guys, I will show you two ways to change your password. The first one is if you are already logged in. So if you're already logged in guys, all you have to do is to just go ahead and in this new home page, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile picture and this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu with settings, and as you can see the second to last option is called settings. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and open up that settings menu, and after clicking on settings it's going to go ahead and open up this new page where we can manage our settings, and the first option is called personal info. So in that guys, you want to go ahead and click on the privacy and security option, which is the third option right here. Click on privacy and security, and in there guys you'll be able to go ahead and click to change your password. So just go ahead and complete the steps guys and you will be able to successfully change your password. The second option guys is if you can't log in because you forgot your password, all you have to do is go ahead and open up the application. Here you can select what account you want to log into, click on continue guys, and then when it shows up that you need to enter your password, just go ahead and click on the forget password option right here, and it's going to go ahead and email you the instructions how to reset your password and you'll be able to change it. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.